This is a particularly dangerous situation.
What?
Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado.
Oh my god.
Source, law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Newport, Greenville, Stanton, Pike Creek, Huckesson, Ashland, and North Star. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is occurring. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle, Delaware. The following is a